Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Android not installing apps. If you're facing issues downloading or installing apps on your Android device despite having enough storage, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. 1. Clear cache of Google Play Store and Google Play services. Go to your phone settings, navigate to Apps or App Management. Find and select Google Play Store from the app list. Tap on Storage Usage, then choose Clear Cache. Return to the list and select Google Play Services. Clear cache in the same way. 2. Change permissions for Google Play Store. If clearing the cache does not resolve the issue, try adjusting the permissions for the Google Play Store. Open Settings on your phone. Go to App Settings, select Google Play Store from your app list. Tap on Permissions. Ensure permissions for call logs and contacts are allowed. Check other permissions are enabled too, but note that location permission is optional. Following these steps should easily fix the problem, allowing you to download and install apps on your Android device again. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.